Hello guys, today I'm gonna be checking my FYP in YouTube, then TikTok. Oh, wait.
No turning back now. Are you sure we made the right choice, kid? I had to. You just followed me.
I have some information that might be of importance to you.
I'm listening.
The so-called bacon soldiers are causing chaos across roadblocks.
The investigation is still ongoing, but we'll keep you posted.
My parents told me to always be strong, but I...
Not strong right now.
Dang.
Wait,
We've all got each other's backs, right?
Wait, why is it kinda laggy?
oh, hi.
I'm Molly.
Matt. I'm gonna join the army. Be extremely careful around bacons. Got that? Okay.
Yo, chill. Yo, chill. Yo. Oh, wait. This is so tough. Wait. Yo.
Be strong. Always be strong.
Yo. Okay. So they said it's coming early 2026. What? What? What is this? What is it, bro? I swear I don't watch Gooner stuff. Okay, let's just skip that. Okay. My mom is kind of interstellar. The hell is that? Okay. Actually, let's just see this. Hopefully it's normal. Okay, what is this?
Now, just a sec. Yogurt was never in my contract. This is sensational. What is this? Skeeter pine and skeeter
What?
light. So thick, smooth,
Huh?
creamy. Now, this is the way yogurt should be. Let me at it.
Steve, the way yogurt should be.
Lily Peters.
What was that?
April 20.
What was that? Oh my god, what was that? Okay, let's just see this one.
What the fuck? Forgot the coin. How did you forget the coin? The foot four.
I wish you could see my reaction right now. But what? 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 Whoa, 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 hey, whoa, 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 ho, ho, hey. Chill, what was that?
On my FPS at 165 though.
How does Geometry Dash even allow this? Oh my god.
Bruh, that was way too quick.
Oh my god, what was that? Please tell me, what was that? What was that? And what's this? Okay.
Go, go, go. Quick, lads. This lady needs our help, and fast. She's suffering from heartburn and needs Gaviscon. You can feel the cooling and soothing already.
Okay.
Good job, lads.
That is way too much medicine.
Gaviscon. What a feeling.
Wait, that's actually too much medicine. Okay. The calmer team. This. Oh my god. Okay. Come on, lads. This lady needs our help getting. What? Why? What? Another distant memory resurfacing in the form of a meme. Good job, lads. Don't get too close. It's dark inside. Edible fireman, my favorite medicine. YouTube only shows what you like. Also YouTube. No matter what we breed, we still are made of seed. I don't get that. I don't get it. Okay. I found an inappropriate. What? Okay.
Hey guys, Michael P here. So I found this appropriate Roblox place, and I want to make a video on it. Like right now. So here, I'll just show you what it is for now. I'm gonna make a video in like a week when I get better. But here, look what is this? It's like it shoots off a thing, and like
What?
it on this thing.
What is that?
And it's like, what is this? What is this?
I think that's enough YouTube for today. Let's go to TikTok.
Oh, what the heck?
No.
我们一生注定是沧桑，不知来要笑着走过呀，朋友啊，让我们一起牢牢铭记呀，我们一生兄弟情一场。我们一生注定是沧桑，不知来要笑着走过呀。
Oh my.
朋友啊，让我们一起牢牢铭记呀，我们一生兄弟情。
You cannot be talking. You cannot be talking.
God, I really wish I had a shopping cart right now. Oh, there's none around.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
I really wish I had a shopping cart right now. Oh, there's none around. There we go. God, I really...
Keep in mind, all lanes lead to up. What? Oh my god. Okay. Whoa. Whoa, yeah, whoa. It's so loud.
When I wake up, I be looking for something to play. Hey, early morning when the birds chirping, I'ma grind it all day. Hey, I woke up this morning looking for the best game, and I finally think that I found it, so I'm here to say hooray, yay. Blox Fruit's the best game on Roblox at a wrestling. Can't never compare, maybe Bad Wars, but that's all, I can't complain. Blox Fruit's the best game on Roblox at a wrestling.
Wait.
I love Bad Wars.
Me when I lie. Yo, what? Yo. Yo, wait, what? Yo, wait, that was actually.
This is worse than Epstein and Kirk.
Whoa. What? How? What? Huh? Okay, wait, let's just see this.
Kirk. I don't know. Someone recommended you watch this. What are they, like 3 years old or something? Are they? Maybe that's been done for a while. So you really want me to like cut my ears off? Yeah. This is worse than Epstein and Kirk.
What? You think it's that bad?
I
What
think it's worse than Epstein and Kirk.
the hell you mean? Of course it's bad.
Don't you have some homework to do?
Can't keep repeating the same stuff. It's a bit old.
You'll find pretty jobs today.
No, I said not.
Wait, let's go to this dude. I remember there was that other four. What is this? Oh my. Whoa. Wait. Wait, I need to send this to my friends, bro. I need to send this to my. Okay. I don't know what it's about, bro. Okay. Yo, hey, yo, chill. Wait, yo, wait. This is actually fire. Oh, whoa. Okay. Timeout. Oh my. I need to. Oh my. I need to edit this, bro. Okay. Okay. Yo. Okay. No.
I beat a demon every single day in January.
No. My. Oh my god. What is going on? What is going on? Oh. What is... I need to save this, bro. What is going on?
Hey, Kachan. Happy
Okay,
birthday.
what's this?
Thanks, nerd. What are you hiding behind your back? It's a sweet surprise. Well, let me see, Deku. Slowly turns around. Do you like it? Deku. Why are you holding the cake box by your butt cheeks?
What?
Open the box, Kachan. Holy bazookas. The cake is your butt? Yes, Kachan, the cake is my booty. I hope you don't mind. You know, because it's a cake, and it's your birthday, so I figured you'd want to eat my cake. You bet your freaking ass that... Eat that cake. Ooh. Kachan.
I don't know. I don't know anymore. I don't...
Stop, it tickles. What flavor is it? It's, vanilla with, chocolate on the inside. I put sprinkles on it, too, and everything. Funky ducky sprinkles. My favorite. Let's just say I'm gonna put all types of vanilla icing on that chocolate. Oh, Kachan, you're making me hard. Kachan, chill.
Make it stop. Make it stop. Make it stop, bro. Make it stop.
Kachan, stop. Kachan, I said slow it down. You're eating my booty too fast. Sorry, Deku.
Oh my god.
It's okay, birthday boy. It's your birthday. You can eat my cake as fast as you want. Just take it easy. The cake's not going anywhere. I think I want Todoroki to try this cake. Yo, Shoto. Yo, hold on. Is that Deku's cake? Oh, I gotta try some of that. Okay, go ahead. Go ahead and try some of the cake. No. Ooh, is that chocolate? Oh no, these Baku Deku sprinkles are hitting the spot.
Oh my god.
That tickles! I see how strong. Holy bazookas. That shit was icy hot for real. Guys, you can't just be eating my cake like this. Then there's not gonna be enough for everybody else. How about we eat some real food, guys? I'm supposed to eat the cake last. Let's celebrate Kachan's birthday with some quesadillas. Made by Mineta. Hey, Kachan.
I don't like this anymore. But I have to keep going. I want to make the video. Oh my god. I need to make the video long.
What's the biggest lie you ever
Okay.
What's the biggest lie you've ever gotten away with? told my 7th grade English teacher I'd read Ice. I hadn't read a single page. Mrs. Miller was a legend at our school. 30 years teaching English, zero tolerance for bullcrap, and she'd read every book in the school library twice. She let us choose a novel for our final presentation. Full oral report, Q&A from classmates. Then she gets to ask one question at the end, worth 40% of our grade. Of course I picked IT because the cover looked cool. Stephen King, horror, what could go wrong? Then I opened it. The thing was like over 1,000 pages of tiny font. I was in 7th grade. The new Fortnite season just dropped. I had zero interest in reading a phone book about a killer clown. Mrs. Miller gave us 6 weeks. Every Friday, she'd set aside the last 20 minutes of class for silent reading time. You had to bring your book and actually read it in front of her. She'd walk around, checking progress, asking questions. Week 1, I'd read maybe 10 pages. She stopped at my desk. How far are you? Chapter 2. I said. She nodded. Good start. Keep that pace. Week 2, I hadn't moved. I'd been reading the same page for 20 minutes, hoping she wouldn't notice. She noticed. Still chapter 2? You need to pick up the pace at home. I'm a fast reader, Mrs. Miller. I'll catch up. I promise. Week 3, still chapter 2. She pulled me aside after class. This is concerning. At this rate, I'm gonna finish. I got this. I'm reading at home. I just like to savor it, you know? Take my time. She didn't buy it, but she gave me one more chance. By week 4, I got old. Started bringing Diary of a Wimpy Kid to class. It was buried deep in my backpack. Mrs. Miller walked by during reading time and stopped dead. Where's it? At home. I finished it. Her eyes went wide. Your presentation is in 1 week. Yes, ma'am. I'm ready. I was not ready. The night before presentation started, I'd read exactly 0 pages of the actual book. I found it online, the newer one. Watched it twice back to back, took notes, and Googled Stephen King writing style analysis at 11 p.m. on my iPad. I didn't dare try ChatGPT. Mrs. Miller literally said she could spot AI writing from a mile away and would give us an automatic F. The next morning, I actually felt ready, like I could pull this off. Presentation day. I went 5th. I got up in front of the class with my note card shaking in my hands. Mrs. Miller sat in the back with her arms crossed and her grade book open. I started talking, kept everything super vague. The story follows this group of kids in Derry, Maine. There's this evil clown called Pennywise that's been killing kids in the town. I glanced at my note card. The kids have to band together to fight it. There's a lot of psychological horror and stuff about facing your fears. I looked up. Half the class looked bored. Really makes you think about childhood trauma. Stephen King's writing is very descriptive and builds tension masterfully. I set my note cards down. Now came the Q&A. My heart was pounding. I saw my best friend raise his hand. Was it scary? Yeah, super creepy. I shifted my weight. What was the scariest part? Probably the sewer scenes. Very intense. Someone in the back raised their hand. Would you recommend it? Totally. Couldn't put it down. Well, at least that's what Sarah H. said in her Google review, but I was crushing it. Then I made eye contact with Mrs. Miller. She wasn't writing in her grade book. She was just staring at me. That look teachers give you when they know you're full of it, but they're waiting to see how far you'll take it. I actually started feeling good. My hands stopped shaking. I pulled it off. Okay, does anyone else have questions? No one raised their hands. Almost home free. Then I remembered Mrs. Miller always gets the last question. Then I said the words I've been dreading. Mrs. Miller, do you have a question? Long pause. She closed her grade book, stood up, walked slowly to the front of the classroom. Everyone went silent. She stopped right in front of my desk. Yes, I was wondering if you could tell us about some of the major differences between the book and the movie. My balls literally dropped through the floor. The room went completely silent. Everyone was staring at me. She knew. She absolutely knew. And she just trapped me in front of the entire class. I stood there frozen. My brain was screaming. I had 2 options. Admit I didn't read it and fail, or try to make something up and fail worse. Then it hit me. The dumbest, most beautiful idea I'd ever had. What's the biggest lie you've ever gotten away with? I told my 7th grade...
Okay. No, please, no. Yo.
Finish it. Tomorrow, find that girl. Walk up to her and be like,
Yo.
I'm scared, man. I'm just tired of letting everybody down. Miles, the hardest thing about this job is you can't always save everybody. That's all it is, Miles. A leap of faith.
Yo, whoa, whoa, yo. Yo. Wait, this is peak.
I love you, Miles. I know that. See you Friday.
Oh. Oh. Oh, whoa, oh, whoa. Yo. Wait, this kind of reminds me of Pokemon. No. Okay. Is this even edible? It doesn't look edible to me. No.
Hey girl, you think I can get your number? Alright, that's fine.
Ryan, can I get your number?
Sorry, I don't date gold diggers.
Going to fucking rearrange your guts. Why are you? I'm not flirting. I'm pregnant. Stop! Put your foot.
Whoa.
Going to fucking rearrange your guts. Why are you? I'm not flirting. I'm pregnant. Stop! Put your clothes. Going to fucking rearrange your guts. Why? Are you,
What is this? What is this, bro? Oh my days. Nobody cares. Yo. Oh, it's bright. Yo! It's so cute. Aww. It's so cute. Okay, let's see the comments. Ah. It's just pure white. Okay. What is this? What is this, bro? What? What is that?
You will never be able to comment the word hi on my. Boy in the trenches sliding all night, and then one day I found out about Jesus Christ. Now I gotta figure out how to live this new life. So much to learn and see. Up in the church with my new family. Now when I slide, it's Tootie to run on me. It's a whole new pleasure world. So good for me. Nobody really love me. So church to find me out what being Christian's all about. I'ma miss you in church. I'm so happy. Jesus defeated all my odds in one day.
Imagine someone playing this in church at full volume. Wait, I favored it.
Two more of those, you take me out of here, huh? Maybe I'm just not right for this.
If a person wearing a blindfold put the answers on a true or false quiz at random, do you know what score they would get?
50%.
That's right. The only way to get all the answers wrong is to know which answers are right. You're trying to fight.
Wait. I swear, I know that people are gonna say, I know that people are gooning. Actually, I'm gonna do this again. Yeah, there you go. I need to turn off my touches. Yep. It's cute. Yo! 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 Who's she? The sea angel.
Because all imported goods were subject to additional tariffs, the Simpson family could only go to an American-made store to purchase daily necessities. But as soon as they went out, they were mocked by Helen. Marge returned home furiously, but Homer told the children that Marge would calm down on her own. Lisa began to wonder how Marge relieved her stress.
Okay. Yo. Yo! Chill! Yo! Wait, what? Uh. Cry for me, Jazz. How are you able to survive of doom and despair from this MF, but not a car crash? How Yeah, guys, Jesus loves you. Wait, okay, oh my. How to fill a paper hole correctly. What is that? Noodles? Oh, makes sense. Makes sense.
We're sprunky and we're just so sad. Why do bad things happen to good people like us? It isn't fair. Life isn't fair. We're sprunkies and we're sad.
Rose actually just sent us to Roblox.
Be glad we're sprunkies and we're sad. Our life is just so bad.
Okay, I'm gonna copy this. Wait, I need to add like a Roblox chat. What is going on?
Who you talking to like bitch ass nigga? I'm talking to you! I'm talking to you, bitch ass nigga! Hey, take that football jersey up and throw them bitches, Brad.
Nigga, this is for your linear edition manga, nigga. You see that shit? What's up, bitch ass nigga?
Hey, Kachan, what you got there?
Okay.
Oh, this is peanut butter and kachan. Want some? Made it myself.
Peanut butter and kachan? Oh yeah! Of course I want a peanut butter and kachan. Give me that.
What?
Wait, Deku, don't eat it! No!
Wait, what? Why'd you say not to eat it?
Deku, it's not peanut butter or jelly.
What?
Huh? It's not peanut butter or jelly? But you said it was a peanut butter and kachan.
I know. That's what I said. See, the peanut butter is actually... it's my shit.
What?
And the jelly... it's my nut.
Oh my gosh. Are you low genuinely serious? Kachan, you can't be genuinely. You can't be low genuinely serious right now.
I'm low genuinely serious.
But it tastes so good though. I
Mm.
really like it.
You like it? Oh. I'm glad. Well, I can make you another one if you want.
I'm
As
laughing
many
and
as you
crying
want.
at the same time, bro.
No. I think I want it straight from the source.
From the source? What do you mean from the source? You alright, Deku?
Open up your booty hole.
What?
Open up your booty hole.
What?
I want the peanut butter straight from the source, which is your ass. Open your ass, Kachan.
You serious, Deku? Literally in public.
I don't care. Papa's hungry. Open up.
Alright. Takes pants off. Spreads butt cheeks.
Now go ahead and poop for Daddy.
Yes, Papa.
No.
A little bit more. I need more than that. It's not enough. Push harder. You need help?
A little bit.
Fine. Say it with me. Delaware, Detroit, booty smash!
What? Wait, what? Let's go to Minecraft, guys. Roblox gay story. I live with two hot school. Okay. Actually, that would actually be a good idea. Like, just go up there and just do what? Yeah. Fits the song. Yo! It fits. That looks like the Roblox sign, but I don't care about Roblox anymore.
Yeah, I found a pig. Try it. What should I do with it now?
Ooh, look at that. A little piggy. So round, so pink. You could even keep it as a pet. Name it. Feed it carrots. Watch it roll around like a meatball. And when it's happy, when it's really, really happy, and it's oinking like it's got no care in the world, slit its belly open. Pull the guts out
What?
like noodles. And listen, it still squeals, even when it's empty. Even when it's just a bag of bones and wishes.
Yeah, I found a pig. Try it. What should I do with it now?
What?
Ooh, look at that. A little piggy. So round, so pink. You could even keep it as a pet. Name it. Feed it carrots. Watch it roll around like a meatball. And when it's happy, when it's really, really happy, and it's oinking like it's got no care in the world, slit its belly open. Pull the guts out like noodles. And listen, it still squeals, even when it's empty. Even when it's just a bag of bones and wishes.
Okay.
Thinking about changing your hairstyle.
Wait. Whoa, what?
When I play Roblox.
Turning my brother's hot chocolate into bread.
What just happened? What happened to him? Wait, what happened to him?
Too bad. I'll give you some bread.
Sure, okay. Oh, what chocolate? Pretty good. Wait, it's not even done yet.
Bread.
Turning my brother's hot chocolate into...
Every other day I'm wondering, what's a human being gotta be like? Well, hello again, friend. I'm a skeleton returning from the...
Does it take that?
Oh yeah. What? Speaking about Chain, I was searching for a game, and the game that I found, I don't really like it. Not this one, cause like I was searching for this one. It's not there. See how the cube keeps. Yo, nice one, nice one, nice one. Yo. Chara, fight that thing. Blame me. I think the clip's a bit too tight. My bro's actually cooked. Yes, you. Chill, bro. Chill.
Lost my armor. I lost my presents. I lost my...
A lot of people are asking me how I made this animation, so today I'll be showing you guys my process when I animated this trend. I first drew a square as a placeholder to track the music and match the beat. Then I drew arrows as placeholders to show which direction the thumb is swiping at during the music, while having it match the beat of the square we drew earlier. I then began animating right away. You can clearly see that I don't plan for and I just animate straight ahead. I might be a little insane, so don't do this at home, please. I already know whose characters I wanted to animate because earlier this week Orb made a really cute drawing of their character and a bunch of artists pulling on a rope, and they were nice enough to add my little guy alongside Min and Ringo. Then I saw a silhouette in Minbit's recent short that kind of resembles the same four characters. It was very sweet. I wanted to show appreciation and keep the wave going, so I also animated the same four characters plus one more character that belongs to a good friend of mine. Animating this was definitely very tricky because I have to factor in the thumb movements that's happening, and doing all of that while maintaining a constant flow really f***ed with my brain. But it worked out eventually. I like to animate in 4s and 5s, but I have very limited frames for each movements in this situation, so I had to stick to single and double frames, which probably explains why this animation is smoother than my usual style. After I sort of got the main animation done, I got to coloring. I just color picked screenshots of the characters' beautiful references here, and it turned out beautiful. Having the characters move alone was kind of bland, so I slapped on interactive backgrounds to match the vibes of each one of them. And that's pretty much it. Hope you liked it.
Nice.
Bored of the same.
Okay.
I sought the 7 seas, trying to find peace, but the flowers didn't have to find it all out. Things, it was perfect perfection. Thank God it was a lesson that I had to learn. I found him running through the wild.
Oh wait, yo. Let's see. Wait, I think there's like a this one. Wait. I think there's like what was that? Like there's something. Yeah. Wait, actually no. This one, I think. Yeah.
Y'all, I'm actually starving. Oh shoot, let me wipe this off. There's so much jelly left over.
What?
Can you get that for me? Thank you.
That's enough TikTok for today. What is wrong with this, bro? Also, before you leave, like and subscribe, and I'm gonna show you a gooding pic. Here you go. And see you. Bye bye.